Also, sorry, it's kind of loud.
Yeah, neighbors. Hey guys, it's Kentaya from GlamwithT&K, and I have a Walmart unboxing for you.
Long time no see.
Long time no see for sure. Alright guys, so here's my Walmart box, the beauty box, okay? So I'll be showing you every item in here. This item I'll be showing you is the OGX conditioner. It's like a argan oil. Feel me? Argan oil of Morocco. Conditioner, repair and strength. A powerful blend with visibility repairs damage after first use. It's actually a good one. I've tried. Here's the shampoo of the same. They gave us 2 shampoos. Yes, they gave us 2 shampoos and some conditioner. So at least your hair will be clean. The full price of the shampoo is $6.97, while the full price of the conditioner is also $6.97. The next item I have is the Revolution Pout Bomb Plumping Lip Gloss. Now this I haven't tried. I'm actually a little curious because I've never tried like pumping lip gloss. There's nothing on the lips right now. Want to give it a try, y'all? Hold on.
But if you don't like it, we have better lip glosses.
Yeah, if you don't like the Plumping Revolution lip gloss though, you can always go on our website, Moonlight Rose Cosmetics, and purchase these. These are our very own lip glosses. We worked very hard on them. If you see the names with Yua, they are me. If you see the names with Hikari, they're my girl Taylor, okay? Taylor has the boba glosses, while I have that, what you call it, the glam gloss, you know? But you're gonna see boba and Taylor's and they're actually really cute. So let's try out this Pout Bomb. Will it make me pout? I hope. Okay, so it's not like a big little thing, so you might have to do a couple dips in order to get the product on. It smells okay. It smells like
It smells like mint.
yeah, there we go, mint. It's like the word wasn't coming to me, but it's a serious mint smell. Strong. I feel the little burn for the plumping, so I know my lips are plumping right now. We'll get back to that when it's actually done. We also have this, it's a 10 blow dry miracle H2O shield. So I'm guessing this is a heat protectant for your hair when you blow dry. It's a spray.
It's $28 too.
It is $28. It better work well. Yeah, it better work well. This is it, by the way, if I didn't give you guys a nice little close-up, you know. Now the next one I have, it's from a company called Eucerin. All right, face gentle cleansing hydrating cleansing gel with hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic, yeah. Removes dirt, oil, and makeup without drying out skin. That's a plus. For all skin types, that's another plus, because you know skincare is very tricky when it comes to skin types. It's also extra gentle on the skin, so that's really good as well if you have sensitive skin. Now here's something from Milani. Okay, it's Milani Conceal Plus Perfect. And it's very thick in this little package, okay? This little package is very thick. So it's a primer from what I'm saying, but it's thick as hell, so I'm guessing it's gonna feel very, huh? Let me see. We're gonna swatch this like and see, cause feels very thick, so it might not be good for, you know, if you're a sweater. It looks like Vaseline. See that? That's the primer. Okay, so you know what it's giving? It's very much giving the primer I just pulled out of my bag earlier.
Baby skin?
Baby skin. It's giving the baby skin primer.
Oh, so it's like a porcelain primer.
Yeah, well, yeah. Like, can you see? Like, it looks like a Vaseline type texture. It definitely comes out looking like baby skin. Okay. Okay, so the full size of this is $12.97, and for the Milani, it's actually $13.97. My lips are still burning, and I don't even know if they're like pumped for sure yet. So let me see. Like, they're cold. Like, you know, they're not burning, but you know, the little cold sensation. It definitely did something though. Like, not a lot. Not for the bottom lip, for the top lip for sure it did something. Now our last product, we have the Energy Drive. I think this is a perfume. Okay, so it says Adidas. Where is that on here? Yeah, it's a perfume, and the price on this, $24.98. Let's see if the smell is worth $24.98. I mean, it's alright. Maybe I'm just hard to impress, but it's okay. You know? It smells good. I mean, it doesn't smell bad.
Ooh.
But it smells like a fucking, what do you call it? Those male perfumes. Like, it's
Cologne.
definitely, yeah, it smells like a cologne. Like, it's more for the men, not for the women. I wouldn't see us going out in this.
It's
at all.
cardamom and pink pepper. That's why it smells like that.
Is that why it smells like pepper?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, see, yeah, it's a no. It's a no.
Yeah, it's a no from us.
Yeah, it's a straight no. But yeah, that is everything, guys.
We'll leave the link down below for the box.
I'll leave the link down below for the Walmart box, and I hope you guys love it. And I hope you guys take my reviews a little serious, because I was serious in every one, okay? And that's Kentaya, Kaylee. Y'all know my government name, Yua, and everything. So if y'all the fans, y'all can know the government. I don't care.